This is a Bayliner that came in that was a recent purchase to the current owner, and it was making some really bad noises, and we did a video of it, and now we've got it cleaned up so we can actually see what's going on. We can tell where those chunks came from. You can see the ring that the bellows fits on that's where those pieces used to be, and you can see it is just missing a lot of where it would hold the bellows onto the transom plate, and it's been beaten up there pretty heavily, and there's a hole in his U-joint bellows right there, so the bellows need to be changed. It's a challenge when you have a gimbal like this with no center to get it out, so that's what our next challenge will be, is to get the old gimbal out, and then we'll be able to take the boot apart and see how much lip is on there, if that's going to work at all. So this is where we are right now with the noisy gimbal.